Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: valid ID, active mobile, and KYC matched between bank and post office. Once done, open the official post office portal or app and choose Link Bank Account. Enter your bank IFSC and account number. This connects the routing data. Make sure your mobile can receive OTPs because both systems use SMS verification. Without that, the link cannot be authenticated. Start now so the portal can validate details in the next step. You will now verify and authorize the connection. When prompted, enter the OTP sent by your bank and the post office. Once both match, the system will cross-check account names. If your bank uses micro deposit verification, note the exact 2-3 cent amount or reference code and enter it when asked. This proves you control the bank account. Make sure to compare the displayed account name. If it differs, stop and correct details before authorizing to avoid mislinking. You wrap up by confirming the final authorization and noting the reference ID shown on screen. Save a screenshot for records. Once confirmed, allow 24 to 48 hours for the systems to fully activate the link, and then test with a small transfer, $1 or the minimum suggested, so you verify funds move correctly. If something goes wrong, for example OTPs not arriving, check SMS blocking, network, and then contact support using your reference ID so they can trace the attempt quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.